Mike from Urban Automotive, Oakville, Ontario, Canada. Here today to talk about one of the most overlooked services on vehicles today. Brake fluid exchanges. Brake fluid exchange, your brake fluid's not just about the level. It's about the condition of the brake fluid. We're going to learn a little bit more from our man Drew.
Hi guys. So as Mike's saying, brake fluid, fluid is hygroscopic. Hygroscopic means it can absorb moisture. There's moisture in the air all around us and all that. Brake fluid over time will absorb it. 3 different types of brake fluid, dot 3, dot 4, dot 5. 3 and 4, glycol based. These are interchangeable. Dot 5 cannot be mixed with anything else. Has to stay dot 5. Moisture content. We have a nice little meter here that ends up reading 1 to 2, 3 and 4. 1 to 2 is acceptable. 3 and 4 gets a little excessive. That's when you should want to change it. Generally about 2-3 years, 50,000-60,000 kilometers. Preventive maintenance. You'll know if your brake fluid's got a lot of moisture in it. Pedal might start getting a little spongy and all that. Time to flush all that fluid through. You've got a neat little setup here from Speedy. Has numerous adapters for numerous master cylinders and all that. Fresh brake fluid from a sealed container goes into the clean bottle here, and it gets plumbed over here to the adapter. Got a little regulator in that. It goes to a designated tire that we have nitrogen in, so nitrogen does not absorb moisture like compressed air would. So again, we don't want to introduce any moisture into the brake bleeding procedure, and so we put a little pressure into that full bottle and it starts flushing all the fresh brake fluid through. We've got over here ready to go a little container underneath each corner of the vehicle. Crack the bleeder through and get the brake fluid flowing. We usually get about a liter and a half going through to get all the old brake fluid out and get some fresh brake fluid coming through.
So if your vehicle needs a brake fluid flush, you're feeling a spongy brake pedal, things just don't seem right, bring it by Urban Automotive, 497 Maple Grove Drive. We'll take care of you. Urban Automotive, safety first.